In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Ads to Google Analytics. By the end, you'll have your Google Ads account connected to GA4, so you can see ad performance alongside user behavior, measure conversions more accurately, and build audiences that sync with your campaigns. Start on your Google Analytics 4 dashboard. Look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. That takes you into the admin area for your property, which is where all connection and integration options live. If you manage multiple properties, double-check you're in the correct one before moving on so you don't link the wrong account. Inside Admin, scroll down until you see the section labeled Product Links. This section groups all the integrations that GA4 can connect to. Find and select Google Ads links. This page shows any existing connections, and it's where you'll create a new one. In the top right corner, click Link to start the linking flow. You'll be prompted to choose which Google Ads accounts you want to connect. If you have access to multiple accounts, you can select one or more. If you don't see the account you expect, make sure you're signed in with an email that has the right permissions in both GA4 and Google Ads. Having at least editor or admin in GA4 and admin in Google Ads typically resolves visibility issues. Next, configure the settings for the link. Here's where you decide how data will be shared between platforms. You can turn on options that allow GA4 to use your analytics data to create audiences for remarketing in Google Ads and to enhance reporting that ties ad clicks to on-site engagement and conversions. These settings help your campaigns become more efficient because GA4 can track what users do after they click an ad and then inform your optimization in Google Ads. When you're happy with the selections, proceed to the review step. This summary shows the accounts you're linking and the settings you chose. Take a moment to confirm everything is accurate. If something looks off, you can go back and adjust. When it all looks good, click Submit. That's it. Your Google Ads account is now linked to Google Analytics 4. From here, the data begins to flow, letting you analyze paid traffic alongside key events and conversions, and build audiences that can sync to Google Ads for remarketing and targeting. If you ever need to modify or remove the link, just return to the same Google Ads links area in Admin. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you connect your tools with confidence.